The cat.
What about the dog? What about the duck? Duck.
Duck, duck. Duck. Tapos na tayo sa ano, kwak-kwak na. Again, dali. Naku po. Naging...
What about the goat?
Ay. Ina.
What about the pig? Pig?
Or...
What's this? Oh, what color is this? What color? What color is this? Very good. What color is this? Good. What color is this?
Makikita niyo po dito yung sea of clouds.
No, this one. Very good. What color is this? What color is that? This one. This one. Very good. What color is this? Very good.
Mainit yung panahon.
Again. What's the sound of the fish? I'll count. 3.
Sa taas ng altitude.
Yay! Pwede na po sa assessment is grade 1. Okay? Say good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate. Good morning.